This is my current 3D printer. I have been using it for many years. It has served me well on many projects. I still love it, but it's time to upgrade to a better one for my workshop. My old 3D printer was kind of primitive, even though I made some modifications to it before. It got the job done, but it was quite slow and required a lot of effort to calibrate before printing. It didn't have an internet connection, so I had to use an SD card every time I want to print something. Recently, I also started having some bad adhesion problems. This was the last project I made with my old printer. It was the handles for my machinist drawers. Now it's time to upgrade to a new printer for my workshop so I can create better projects. After doing some research online, I decided to buy the Bambu Lab P2S model. It's 5 times faster, has an internet connection so I can start prints remotely, and includes a built-in camera to check what's going on inside anytime from anywhere. It also has a colorful touchscreen to control the device. It supports multicolor printing for better visual appearance, and it can print with engineering-grade filaments. Let's unbox it. It was a hard job, but finally I am done with the setup. This is a test print. It's way faster than my old printer. Now I have a new printer that's much more capable of handling complex projects. I'm really happy with it so far. Thank you for watching the video.